I'm sorry for a short break, but I had a guest and my dog was a little bit noisy. So now I'm coming back to database, and I would like to add what activities, database activities are mainly for. They enable a collaborate collection of web links, books, book reviews, or journal references. And also we can use them for displaying students' created photos, posters, websites, or poems. And we can just ask for peer comment and review. So the next is, okay, come back. I lost e-voting. E-voting is very interesting activity which enables students to vote via their smartphone or their laptop and to have the results displayed on a graph in real time. The e-voting activity is ideal to capture the attention of wide groups. It increases interaction between professors and students. Therefore, it supports a flipped class type, and also e-voting can be used in class to check knowledge at the end of a course or to animate theoretical presentations. Now we've got fair allocation, and it enables a teacher to create a custom server for collecting feedback from participants using a variety of question types, including multiple choice, yes or no, or text input. Feedback responses may be anonymous if desired, and results may be shown to all participants or restricted to teachers only. Any feedback activities on the site front page may also be completed by non-logged in users. Feedback activities may be used for course evaluation, helping improve the content for later participants, to enable participants to sign up for course modules, events, for guest survey, for anti-bullying surveys in which students can report incidents anonymously. Let's go to forum now, which is very important activity and enables students, participants, and students and teachers to have asynchronous discussion. And discussion can take place over an extended period of time. There are several types of forum, such as standard forum, where anyone can start a new discussion at any time, a forum where each student can post exactly one discussion, or a question and answer forum, where students must first post before being able to view other students' posts. A teacher can allow files to be attached to forum posts. Attached images are displayed in the forum posts. Participants can subscribe to a forum to receive notification of new forum posts. A teacher can set the subscription mode to optional, forced, or auto, or prevent subscription completely. Let's have a look at the game book with questions, which I have lost somewhere. I must say that especially games are not very much in my interest, so especially if I will be interested in using games, I will take much more time to be familiar with them. So I decided to resign with description of games at all. Let's have a look at glossary, which enables participants to create and maintain a list of definitions, like dictionary, or to collect and organize resources or information. Glossaries have many uses, such as a collaborative bank of key terms, getting to know space where new students add their name and personal details, a handy tips resource of best practice in a practical subject, a sharing area of useful videos, images, or sound files, a revision resource of fact to remember. group self-choice. I think it's very interesting that this module allows students to enroll themselves in a group within a course. This is a case of our course that we are able to enroll by ourselves. The teacher can select which group students can choose from and the maximum number of students allowed in a group. Supervisor may be assigned to groups. What participants can do? They can create groups, give them a description, and set the password. Protected, if wanted, they can select and join groups. Hot discussion activity enables students to post and vote on posts in response to questions asked by course teacher. The next is journal, which enables to obtain students' feedback about a specific topic. Now we've got lessons, but in our case, this activity is currently hidden. So I can say only that lesson activity enables a teacher to deliver content or practice activities in interesting and flexible way. Lessons may be used for self-directed learning of a new topic, for scenarios or simulation, decision-making exercises, for differentiated revision with different sets of revision questions depending upon answers given to initial questions. Now I've got a big set of different activities in Moodle: media collection, mind map, multipair, podcast, questionnaire, quiz, Skype, student folder, survey, task chain, WizIQ, live class, and workshop. So I decided just to say a few words. I tried all of them, but finally I will just say a few words about each of activity. Media collection. It's a module for creating galleries or media content. User can create their own galleries or of images, video, or audio, either on their own or in groups. Users are able to like and comment on content they can see in their own and other galleries. Mind map allows you to create and save simple mind maps from within Moodle. Podcast activity enables participants to create a podcast and publish episodes consisting of video or audio files. Questionnaire module allows you to construct surveys using a variety of question types for the purpose of gathering data from users. Quiz activity enables a teacher to create quizzes comprising questions of various types, including multiple choice, matching, short answers, and numerical. The teacher can allow the quiz to be attempted multiple times, with the questions shuffled or randomly selected from the question bank. A time limit may be set. Each attempt is marked automatically, with the exception of essay question, and the grade is recorded in the gradebook. The teacher can choose when and if hints, feedback, and correct answers are shown to students. Quizzes may be used as course exams and mini-tests for reading assignments or at the end of a topic, as exam practice using questions from past exams to deliver immediate feedback about performance and for self-assessment. The next is student folder, which offers the following features. Participants can upload documents that are available to other participants immediately or after you have checked the document and giving your consent. An assignment can be chosen as a basis for a student folder. The teacher can decide which document of assignment are visible for all participants. Teachers can also let the participants decide whether the documents should be visible to others. Survey. The survey activity module provides a number of verified survey instruments that have been found useful in assessing and stimulating learning in online environments. A teacher can use this to gather data from the students that will help them learn about their class and reflect on their own teaching. Teachers who wish to create their own survey should use the feedback activity module. Task chain Allows teachers to distribute interactive learning materials to their students via Moodle and view reports on students' responses and results. A single task chain activity consists of an optional entry page, a chain of tasks, and optional exit page. Each task may be a static web page or an interactive web page which offers students text, audio, and visual prompts and records their responses. The tasks are created on the teacher's computer using authoring software and then uploaded to Moodle. With IQ, Moodle enables teachers to schedule a class. You can schedule online classes, give high-impact presentation, and watch class recordings with a single click from inside of Moodle. And the last one, Workshop, which enables the collection, review, and peer assessments of students' work. Students can submit any digital content, such as word processed documents or spreadsheet, and can also type text directly into a field using the text editor. Submissions are assessed using a multi-criteria assessment form defined by the teacher. Students are given the opportunity to assess one or more of their peer submissions. Submissions and reviewers may be anonymous if required. Students obtain 2 grades in the workshop activity, a grade for their submission and a grade for their assessment of their peer submission. Both grades are recorded in the gradebook. I think this is more or less everything what I would like to present today, but the last screen is e-voting again. So after listening to my presentation, look at my question. Do you like my tutorial? Yes or no? They've got 2 questions, and you can put your comments in Stellar and just add your comments and let me know if you like it.